Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Good morning, you guys. James back again with another unboxing. Remember, you guys, I told you when my second RC car was coming in, I was going to do an unboxing, so it's finally here. Make sure you guys go watch my other video on the reveal happenings of the Bigfoot. It's the last video right before this one. But today, we got a new car that's in. This is a Cinnabon Dictator Champion high-speed racer. This is a 1/18 scale RC racer. High speed. It's supposed to be high speed right here. 2.4 gigahertz, 4 channels, and it uses the batteries. It look like a AA. I'll see it in a minute. Flip it on the side. We can figure it out. We got different colors. You got the red, the green, the yellow, the green and black, the white and blue, and then you have the orange. Same thing, you got your controller that turns right and left. Yes, it uses 2 AA batteries. You got your battery, you got your USB charger, your on off button. Similar setup as you know, it came from China. And I can tell you guys, this box came really beat up. I don't know whether it was the boat ride over here, where the customs opened this thing up, checking for, you know, drugs or illegal items or whatever, but this box really came really beat up. Nothing like the other box, you know, the car that came. This was really beat up. But I'm gonna open, well, actually, I've already, you know, kind of opened it. I took the tape off, but let's open this baby up and see what we got inside there. As you can see, this thing is just really rough. I don't know. Let's get it out of there. There's the instruction manual. Nothing else is in there. So let's put this here. And this, like I said, this is called the Dictator. The Dictator, Champion High-Speed RC for ages 3 and up, 1/18 scale. You know, I'm going to put the link below. If you guys want to copy it out, make sure you definitely check it out. So, okay, we got some plastic here, screwdriver. Looks like we got the battery right here, same type of battery, your NiCad. You got your charger right here, similar to the other one with the adapter, where you put this in. And so you just clip this in. And then once you clip that in, I think I got it right. Yeah, there we go. Yep, once you clip that in, you just put this to any normal USB charging device. And of course, so we got the remote control here. Look like there's where the 2 AA batteries go. You got your on and off switch here. You got your clicker forward, clicker back, and you got your rotator for left and right. Now, all the remote controls may have little buttons like this on them, but they don't really do anything. They don't really do anything. So there's the controller right there. Oh, I got it. Oh, here's another piece of plastic. Oh, man. Okay. Let's calm down. And here's the actual car. Here it is right here. This is a little racer. It's supposed to be a little racing car. You got your fin right here. You got, let me see. Yep, it has the shocks on the front, just like my other RC that I received. Underneath the bottom is where you put your battery here. And I don't think I showed you on the other one, but as you use the car, when you first initially use it, it's going to drift left or right. So whichever way it drifts, you want to adjust your drift the opposite way, so when you're going straight, it goes straight. Here's your off and on button right here. Nice tires, nice thick tires on it. So as far as, you know, the box look rough, but everything else looks okay on it. Nice shot. And of course, you know, we have the instruction manual here. You know, same old similar thing. But I'm gonna just give y'all a little comparison. This new RC is 1/18. Now let me show you guys this. The video the video I just did before this, make sure you watch that. This is the Bigfoot, and this Bigfoot is 114. So this is 118 and this is 114. So the lower you go on the number, the bigger the vehicle. So keep that in mind. This is a 118. As you can see, this is the new one is a 118. This is a 114. So I got this one, but I like the bigger ones myself. So I think I'm gonna stay with the 118s from the ones I ordered from now on. I'm gonna see how this thing do. But if this thing is real fast, I don't know which one's gonna be faster. We're gonna definitely do me and my wife gonna do a video where we out having a race. So we're gonna see which one is the faster. But just keep that in mind. This is a 114, which is almost, you know, twice as big almost. You see how big, look at the tires. Look how big the tires are different right here. So so watch that video. It's right before this one's where I did the Bigfoot. And this is the 118. So let me put the batteries in it, and we're going to do an initial test just to make sure everything is working, that it didn't, you know, the box is damaged. Let's just make sure this thing works right from the jump. And then the unboxing will be done. I'm going to do a separate video where we do the race and the comparison between the two vehicles. Let me go get some batteries. Actually, I could do this first. I'm going to go ahead. I got to go get 2 AA batteries for that. But let me do this one first. So let's go ahead and unscrew this. As so. It comes with a screwdriver, so you don't have to worry about that. You just pop that open. This should have a charge on it already. As before. Let me come a little closer so you guys can kind of see. I'm just gonna put that right there. Oh yeah, make sure the top is up. Make sure the 2 little prongs will match up. You hear a little click. And now this is crucial on how you put this in. So I put that in, I just folded it over. Yeah, this one goes in a lot better. The Bigfoot battery was actually a little tight. But then I just put this screw in to start it. Put that screw in to start it. And now I do that. And screw that in like so. And we turn that on. We don't have any indicator, so we have to wait until we get the batteries. And I can tell you right now, let me let you know how. Let me let you guys know how much time you get on a full battery. So I'm gonna find that information for you. First, I gotta make sure we're in English. Yeah. So oh yeah, man. Okay. Is there any English on this paper? Okay, charging time. Charging time. About 4.5 hours. You'll get 20 to 25 minutes of runtime. So 5 hours, you charge up 4 or 5 hours, and you'll get 20 to 25 minutes. So basically what they say, if you do it for 4 hours, you're going to get 20 minutes. If you charge it for 5 hours, you're going to get 25 minutes of runtime. So let me go get some AA batteries for this, and then we're going to do the initial test. Be right back. Alright, as y'all know, I got a whole bunch of rechargeable batteries. What I'm going to do, I didn't do it before, but I'm going to put the link. I'm going to put the link for the rechargeable batteries. Amazon has a nice thing where they have the batteries and they have a charging kit. So I'm going to definitely put the link below to make sure you guys got that. So we're going to put that there. That's 1. There's 2. And then, okay, we got the batteries in. So now let's make sure, there we go. You put that in there. Then you tighten this baby down. This was definitely a little easier than the other one. So let's do our initial test here to make sure that this thing actually works, because like I said, the box came pretty beat up. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to hit the on button on that. And we're going to hit the on button on that. And don't see a light on it. How come I don't see a light? Let's see. Huh. Don't see a light. So I think this happened before. What was the issue I did? Oh, my batteries. I know my batteries were charged up, but let's double check something real quick. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. I just have, see how the light is on now? I guess I just have to slam it down. Just have to slam the batteries down a little bit. It's like, I guess, same as before. It's like some cheap plastic with the, all the controllers are really like some cheap plastic. So you want to make sure you don't drop definitely don't drop it on. All these controllers are just some cheap plastic. So you definitely don't want to drop that. They should, I think the higher models do have where you can just use your phone to control them. But let's go. I think we're ready. We got the red light here. We are on. This is on. So down should be forward. Oh yeah. And then back. Oh yeah. Oh, it look like it got some ooh. It's got some to it. So now, if you're looking at it, this little wheel, yep, should turn left. So back is left, right is right. I mean, up is right, back is, okay, so forward is right, back is left. So if I hit forward, come back, turn that way. Oh yeah, this thing, I think it is. I think this thing is pretty fast. Oh! Oh, you guys, this thing might be faster than the big boy. I like this. Oh, got the shocks. Make sure all your screws are tight, which look like they are right there. This thing, man. Ooh, this thing look like it's gonna be pretty fast. Ooh, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, so everything works. This is just the unboxing right here of the Dictator RC 118 scale racer. Make sure you guys check it out. The link will be in the description. The Dictator. Stay tuned. The video is going to be coming real soon where we're going to go outside. We're going to get in a nice race down and dirty. We're going to see which one of these things is the baddest on the street. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys race.